In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain name servers in the A2 hosting client area. If you need to connect your domain to your hosting account properly, updating the name servers is an important step. This tells your domain where to look for your website and related services. The good news is that the process is very straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, log into the A2 hosting client area. Make sure you're using the correct account that manages your domain, since this is where all of your domain settings will be available. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main account dashboard before moving to the next step. From there, go to the domain section and then select My Domains. This area lists the domains associated with your account. If you have more than one domain, carefully locate the one you want to update. It's always a good idea to double check the domain name before making changes, especially if you manage multiple websites. Next to the domain you want to edit, click the tool icon or the Manage Domain option. This will open the management settings for that specific domain. Inside the domain management area, look for the sidebar and select Nameservers. This is the section where you control which name servers your domain is using. Once you're on the Nameservers page, choose the option labeled Use Custom Nameservers. This allows you to manually enter the name servers you want your domain to use instead of keeping the default setting. In the fields provided, enter A2 Hosting's name servers. For example, you may use ns1.a2hosting.com in the first field and ns2.a2hosting.com in the second field. Be sure to type them exactly as provided, since even a small typo can prevent the domain from pointing correctly. After entering the name servers, click Change Name Servers to save the update. That's the final step. Your new name server settings will then be submitted. Keep in mind that name server changes usually do not happen instantly. In many cases, DNS propagation can take some time, so your website may not update everywhere right away. That's completely normal. If needed, give it some time and check again later. And that's how to update your domain name servers in the A2 hosting client area. If you follow these steps carefully, your domain should be set up correctly and ready to connect with your hosting environment.